that's right. There's a bug here that I need to fix. I was missing something. What was the example? Was it CC? Right? Yeah, CC. Okay, so we do CC, and we get good first, good second, good third. Oh, not quite, it looks like. Hold on, let's do this. Let's stop guessing. That's the binary, let's go to the unary. Function, and then this is, so actual, and then expected. That's annoying. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so let's split this into blocks, right? Let's do this. And then this is the next block. And then this would be the next block. Now this doesn't make any sense, but this one does, right? What the fuck? Something broke here. I think for a single, so if I look at this differently, right? No, I don't know what's happening. Shit. This is C. Does it tell me what the, yeah, so this is C, which means CC would be, right? Yeah. So there's one. So if you look, think about this in blocks now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the fuck? actually did this right all the way up until here. And then it does another 1. I think something's happening like by accident. Print line. I can't remember. Oh. Okay. Yeah. It comes in separately. So I think my algorithm works. What I need to do is not do, got it. So I'm doing multiple get unary calls, right? Doing for each one, and then I join them. Wrong. What I need is as bin to a single string, one contiguous binary, and then convert that to a single contiguous unary. So this is join to string, so I should be able to do val singular contiguous bin equals as bin dot join to string with separator of nothing, and now we can do val as chuck equals get as unary with contiguous bin. We get rid of this, and then we don't need this. Okay, so let's see what happens now. So we have one contiguous, and now the actual becomes this, which is that. Oh, jeez. That looks pretty dang good. Now, let's try it. Nice. Nice. Open on hyperskill. Continue. Whoa, bro. What? It's a lot of stuff here. You already know that objects are really complex structures, and variables only point to objects. This time you will learn about equality and how to understand that variables point to the same object. In addition, you will finally fully understand the meaning of the val keyword and avoid one of the most common beginner mistakes, assuming that the val keyword guarantees immutability. Oh, seems important, right? Beginner mistakes. Oh, shit. Okay. Comparison. Imagine a situation. You receive two identical messages from your friend. The messages are hi and hi. You see them and understand the messages are the same. If you want to compare the messages in Kotlin, you can store them as string values. Then you can use the comparison operator, double equals, for example, print message 1 equals message 2, gives true, and print message equals hello, gives false. Variables message 1 and message 2 have the same state, which is called structural equality. Also, you may check for inequality using the operator does not equals. For example, print message hello gives true. Message 1 equals hello. I was thinking about something else the entire time there. Let's start again. Then you can use the comparison operator, double equals, for example, print message 1 gives true, print message 1, okay, gives false, variables message 1 and 2 have, which is called structural equality. Inner state of variables. Okay. Also, you may check for inequality using the does not equal. Note that some complex data types may not have the operator double equals. We'll discuss this later. Box in the following examples has, let's look at an example of copying a mutable object. Suppose you have a box that stores balls and you can add one ball to it. Let's create a box, object, copy it, and change its original. Wow, this is brutal. It's literally one character could probably like bork your whole application. That's kind of rough. Like, what is it in JavaScript? Let's find out right now. Like if I double equals two objects, I think it's still false. Const obj1 equals this, and const obj2 equals that. Do that, and then console.log obj1 equals obj2, and then console.log obj1 triple equals. That's for sure wrong, right? Run. They're both false, yeah. I literally can't remember what double equals checks for versus triple equals. I just know you always want triple equals. I'm trying to remember what it does. I think you can do console.log 1 double equals 1. Oops. I think that will be true. Oh my god. Yeah. This is just type. types, I think. Okay, so referential equality. You know that variables can have the same state and can be the same, point to the same object. In both cases, double equals returns true. However, Kotlin provides a special operator. Wow, the whole thing is about to be so annoying. Um, um, base types and equality. You're already quite familiar with objects in Kotlin. You have worked with text and number data a lot. Many program languages. Primitive data types or primitives store the most often used simple data types, their internal structures, and string float double Kotlin objects. For example, the int or string variables behave just like primitive types of data in other programming languages, but at the same time, there are objects. In other words, immutable objects. Let's look at how it works. As you can see, when we change the value of the variable a equals 200, we do not change its object. The variable a is assigned a new reference to the object with the value 200. Let's look at one example. Double type of data. So it works on structures, but not the primitive object types. That's what it seems like. All right, give me a second. Let's get this word. Suppose you compare two variables with the triple equals operator and the result is true. Does this mean that if you change the value of the first variable, the value of the second will also change? They're referencing the same object. I want to say yes, but I feel like the double says no. Fix the code below so that king can be reassigned another object. Is there something wrong with it? I'm not really understanding what this is asking me to do. Oh, is it var? True, user1 equals user2, false, true, true. The output of user1 double equals user3 will be false. No. That will be true. User1 double equals user2 will be true. Triple equals will be false and will be true. Yeah, I had to look this up. And in the same order, if they are equal. What was this trying to tell me? Oh. I don't know why. What's 0? Can't I just do add and it'll append it? Yeah. No. What am I doing? Shit, I'm spacing out. Playing with numbers, you have mutable list of integers, numbers. Add the sum. Got it. So it's numbers dot add 0 that, and then numbers dot drop last. Last one. Oh, that's nice. Oh shit, the penultimate. So we need to do drop. Okay, we're gonna do it like this. Drop. Does this return the element? Yeah, here we go. So we remove the, okay, so val last. Yeah, and then we do numbers dot add last. And then we don't need this come on. Like, I'm already working with lists. Why? Uh, all right. Collections in Kotlin is where I'm going to leave off here. We're pretty dang close. But to be honest, I'm zoning so hard. Whatever I read right now is not worth it. Good work, team. I'll probably do this early in the morning tomorrow, traveling. So we'll need to get it out of the way to make sure it gets done. Something else that's kind of funny. 45 minutes of video every single day is actually like a lot of video. So I need to get everything off because I didn't buy a laptop in anticipation of doing this. So my laptop is like filling up quite quickly, which is kind of funny. So just gonna be gone for a while. Don't want to deal with it while I'm gone. So I'm gonna transfer stuff over today, I guess. Tonight. Anyway, nice work.